Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI, and if you love to stay organized, or maybe you want to keep your kiddo organized, then you need to get yourself this calendar whiteboard. Now, this whiteboard is great because everything erases, it's nice and blank, so you can add in the date wherever it's going to start. Fill in the month, you have an area to put all of your notes in there, and then you can go and fill in your calendar as you would like. My daughter absolutely loves how it keeps her organized so she knows what lies ahead. Now, it is an aluminum frame and it comes in gold, which was perfect. It went great with my daughter's room. It also comes with one black erasable marker with the erasable top right on it. And you're able to keep everything nice and together. So if you're someone who likes to keep organized, or maybe you want to keep your kiddo organized, then this is the dry erase calendar for you from U Brands. But that's just my point of view.